Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to install Windows virtually on your Mac OS X Ventura 13.2.1 on M1 or M2 machine. So first of all, you have to open a web browser and type UTM download. Here is the first site, UTM official site. You have to click on this link and this type of window will be open. Just download this application. It will take few minutes. It's depend on your internet connection. After download this application, just double tap and move it into application folder. Just drag and drop. Close this tab, close this tab, and go to the application folder by using the go menu. And here's the UTM. Just open this application. It will ask you for authentication. Click on open. Here is the display window will be open. If you have a virtual machine or already installed virtual machine on your Mac, just create a new virtual machine or browse from UTM gallery. In my scenario, I don't have any virtual machine, so I'm going to create a brand new. I'm going to browse my ISO file of Windows. I'm looking on my Mac. So I'm going to install Windows 11. It will ask how many memory and GPU do you want to allow for this virtual machine. I'm going to same as it is by default. You can maximize or minimize the memory size. It's spawn on your Mac. Same for the CPU cores. How much CPU core do you want to allow for this virtual machine? Continue. Same, specify the size. I'm going to continue as it is. So the installation has been started. It will take a few moments or some time to install the Windows on your Mac. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.